Hi, it's Dr. Colin from Family First Chiropractic. So today I'm going to be talking to you about what we can do here in Columbia, Missouri to resolve that knee pain. Now, resolving that looks different person to person, so everyone's plan might look a little bit different, but it always is going to start with us sitting down and talking to you about what's going on. That means you're going to have a chance to sit down and talk with the doctor, and the doctor's really going to listen to what your issues are, what we need to do to get those corrected. The next thing that we do is we start in on the adjustments. So adjusting, what that's doing is it's correcting the issues going on in that joint so that the bones can move the way that they need to and you can use the joint the way that you need to. It also takes a lot of pressure off of the nerves that are going on in your body. We can get those happy and healthy, then everything's working the way that it needs to. We also can work on some of these soft tissues, knots, trigger points, things like that. We have a couple different ways of doing that. One really cool tool we use is called Shockwave. It uses acoustic sound waves. They're going to go in to those knots, that big jumbled up gross mess of tissue. It's going to break that up so that has a chance to go back and heal properly again. And the last thing that we do is something that's called a custom therapeutic exercise plan. What that means is the doctor's going to be assessing your needs. They're going to figure out what exactly you need as opposed to what everyone gets, because that's not good health care. So knowing exactly what you need and getting you that exercise plan to correct that issue.